structures, man. You know what I'm talking about? They say it's some icebox, though. But, man, you got to do better, though, man. And the people around you, bro, they won't clout, bro. Because ain't nowhere in the hell. I know Wooski got a name that's legendary. I know Wooski could sell out.
Yo, I had to research this story because it seemed kind of interesting, because so many people are making videos rooting for him to win, you know what I mean? Now, this dude right here, he made one song and it went viral, but he never considered himself to be a rapper. He's just a street dude that got famous, and he has more fame than rappers and actual people who want to be famous. And people are making videos because he got shot in the head a few years ago, right? So people pretty much criticize his every move, and they see that he has all this potential to be a famous rapper, but they don't think he's living up to his potential. But it's crazy because I see these videos today of everybody, like this video right here, this guy's like giving him advice. Hood Civilian TV.
In today's video, we're going to be talking about FBG Wooski dropping his location and playing with his life.
So he's giving him advice and stuff like that. And people feel like, you know, he got shot in the head, man. So that obviously is going to have some type of medical, physiological, physical effect on you. You're not going to be the same. But people see that, yo, you are famous for no reason. And, like, you could take advantage of that and live a better lifestyle. And they like him. And it's like, I've never seen anything like this before. A guy who could be famous, but he doesn't want to. But then again, it's like, he's famous for being a street dude. So you can't get mad at him for being a street dude. He might be selling bricks, allegedly, and hypothetically. He might be hustling in and out of different states. And y'all keep trying to talk to this man and give him advice on how he should utilize his rap career. He doesn't want to rap. But I've never actually seen anything like this where a guy who wasn't even a rapper is famous like a rapper, but he doesn't want to rap, but the public is urging him to, you know. And it's just, yeah, man, you know, and my whole take on this is he should rap because he has a lot of fans. I mean, it's thousands and thousands of people who want him to rap. I've never seen a situation where the fans are trying to get you to rap. They're trying to request you to rap, but you don't want to rap, and you got that fame. So yeah, man, it's crazy.